going on, YouTube? Make a quick video how to make money with your van, pickup truck, side money, side gig, whatever you want to call it. Just make some extra money, especially during this time, 2021. So, give you a quick tip of how I got this job. I reached out to a guy, saw him on social media, like Facebook, like he had a business, box drop shipping, like selling mattresses, bed frames, stuff like that. I reached out to him, told him I do deliveries, I do pickup delivery. If he ever need anybody doing deliveries for him, feel free to contact me. So boom, got a text saying, do I need if I want to do a job for delivery today, headed to Dorchester. I'm like, sure, why not? I'm free. So as you can see behind me, those are the beds, box spring beds. So I'm doing the delivery right now. Just reach out to people that sells, other business owners that sell mattresses, stuff like that, furniture. Just reach out to them, ask them if they need help delivering or do they need, stuff like that. Some places be like they might put, keep your number. You never know, because so a customer might come and purchase something and they short on drivers. Boom, they give you a call and do a delivery. I remember one time I had a call, the Tri-City Appliance, all the drivers doing delivery for the day already, and there's an old lady, she needed a stove, so she contacted me. I went to pick it up for her, and I passed my business card to the Tri-City Appliance also. So just basically networking, promoting at the same time, word of mouth, So if this video helped you out, make sure you like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.